What it do, man? Back at it again with another fix it. So motor mount right there is messed up. Like, you can't see it, but it's toe up. As soon as I pull it off, you'll see it's not even connected to nothing, man. It's just rattling around, motor shaking and stuff, you know. So, you know, this ain't even no better. No, it actually is better than what that one is. That one just rattling around. This one actually, you know what I'm saying, got some little sternness about it. But it's a used car. I'm not putting no new parts on this joint until I feel like, you know what I'm saying, I want to. But this is just a real quick visit, switching them out, because that one terrible. You'll see it when I pull it off. Got it out. Now, as y'all was seeing, look, this is not supposed to be like that. Focus it. Look at this. It's broke. Rubber gone. Wouldn't ride on nothing. Just slapping back and forth. Doof, doof, doof. Bent up and everything. So, toe up. Not toe up. You know? Toe the fuck up. Broke. Not. So, let me get to putting this back on before it get dark. Let's get it. Yeah. And I you know, unhook those so I can jack up the motor, you know, just in case. You know, jack up the motor so you got room and clearance to get them cut. You're not gonna be able to get it if you don't, because it's smushed down. The engine transmission smushed down on that motor mount. So you gotta jack up the motor. Then, yep, put a block under there so you won't bend the pan. Let's go.